Alright mates, in this video I will explain HP limits, HP market and PatternTradeAssistant. So these are the scripts that I use to set my trades after I have identified the trading opportunity. Okay, in front of your eyes you can see a deep crab pattern. It looks this way, two triangles connected as usual. So if I want to place a limit order, what should I do? I just stretch that Fibonacci level. My Fibonacci is a bit special because I trade it a bit different way. My first target is 1/3, my second is 2/3, and my third target is 3. So I am to place a limit order. For example, I'm going to end it somewhere here, yes? I just double click on that and 3 orders are placed. Let me stretch that to some secure level to make sure that it won't be triggered while I'm talking and explaining that. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You see 3 trades opened. So the first one has take profit this, the second take profit this, and the third take profit this. And the stop loss is the same distance as the first take profit. So you can measure the distance to that. Just put the cursor over there. 39.1 is the pips and 39.1 pips for stop loss. So absolutely identical stop loss. Okay, so let me delete them. Guys, next, if for example your level was already crossed and your price is trading this way, for example, this is the entry, yes, so place the Fibonacci to your entry and this is your stop loss, and you see price is above entry already, yes, but it didn't hit the stop loss yet. So what you should do, you should double click HP market. I won't do that and not to open a position, but it was already opened here at the level I was using. So if you see the pattern is already completed and it didn't hit the stop loss yet, you have that whole area being your reversal area. It is valid all the way up until it takes the stop loss. Okay, so what is the only restriction here? The only restriction here is that you should put your Fibonacci not beyond that last bar. This is the only restriction. So it won't work, it won't open any trades, and it will be useless for you. Just clicking those HP limit or HP market scripts. Place it here or whatever you wish. So if you place a limit order, this line will be your limit order level. So if you want the retest of this high, just place it on the high, and the this level will be your limit order placement. This high will be. If you want it a bit lower, you can this. If you want a bit almost at market, it will be this. Okay, but if you place it here, yes, and you place the market order here, then you have a better entry. The trade will be executed at market and you will have 19.6 versus 44.5, but then it will be modified. So about the trade modifications, this is the PatternTradeAssistant. We all know that when price exceeds the initial reversal level, our hypothetical entry, theoretical entry, it may reverse a bit higher, maybe even here. So each time we should restretch our Fibonacci's, and you see our targets are moved from the initial placements of here. We have some marks left from the initial placement a bit higher, and if it goes higher, so it should be placed a bit higher, and so on and so forth. So what PatternTradeAssistant does, it modifies this target. Let me show you. I will place it somewhere back, somewhere here and here, yes. So the only thing to trigger that is the Fibonacci should be a bit higher. You see, it is moving higher, higher and higher, higher, higher and higher. So it just modified targets to the last highest number of that. Well, just in front of your eyes. The second thing that PatternTradeAssistant does is this. When price hits the take profit of this, so one position is closed, you have two positions left. This is the position with this take profit and the large position with this take profit. You have two positions left, and PatternTradeAssist moves the stop loss to break even. Okay, sorry guys, something is moving. Here I am. We have that line crossed, so I'll be executing a trade right now. We just crossed. I won't be in a hurry. I will wait for another 5 minutes. We just crossed the line of pattern completion. I'll wait for the next candle. I'm actually waiting for the first candle that will be red. Just waiting for next 5 minutes. So if the next candle is red, then I place my limit order at the high of this trigger bar, terminal bar, the last bar that terminates the pattern. So we have 10 more minutes minimum. Okay, so back to that situation. Okay, it's not this, not pound yen, but it is dollar Canadian. Okay, dollar Canadian was already break even, and we only have total trades 2. So the PatternTradeAssistant also comments how many trades you have at market. So it only works with the trades that that were placed by HP limits or HP market. So it doesn't move or anyhow affect other trades. So when these HP limits or HP marketplace trades are placed, they are marked with a special comment name. So, and when PatternTradeAssistant is modifying trades, he is looking for that comments before modifying something. So let's have this example. So this one hit the first take profit. As you can see, let me explain it in detail on 5-minute chart. So the pattern was found on 15-minute chart, yes. So I was waiting for the first red candle after the trigger bar. So this is the trigger bar, this is the next red candle is this, yes. So and the retest of that high would be my trigger. But when I found this trade, it was already trading above that high, so I was executed at a better price, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, so if price goes further to the downside, if it continues to decline this way, yes, and hits the second target, thus we will only have one trade left. So this trade will be placed stop loss to this first target. So and the third trade is a guaranteed winner. Well, because price either hits the third take profit, or if it, in case it reverses, it hits the first take profit. So those third trades are the fruits. They are very sweet. Okay, will we have any possibility? Okay, 35 minutes, 5 minutes more to open a trade or to place a limit order if the next candle is green. Let me zoom in. Just check between my trades. I have 12 pair portfolio. Try to compile a non-correlated portfolio. Okay, so we just had that hit the stop loss. You see, this was the retest of this high. Let me explain it. This is the pattern completion level, this one, yes. So this high, let me zoom it in, this high was green, is the candle that crossed that line and completed the candle. So next candle was red. Yes, I decided to enter at the retest of this high, which is above that level. Yeah. You see, I've been executed a bit higher, a bit better. So this red mark says that it was sell limit of pound yen, blah blah blah, at this price. Okay, so now we had that harmonic reaction and hit the first target, the 382. So next we had this candle, and it looks like that we will most likely hold this level because of this weak candle. We don't have the strong close. If this candle is red, well, I will enter. I won't enter at market. I will place a limit order again at this same line level, because price likes to retest those levels. Well, what else? So when you stretch your Fibonacci's like this, you stretch that to entry level, price should go higher. Well, you should not stretch them this way. You won't have any trades modified. It won't be able to modify your trades. Okay, Australian. So the same here, we hit stop loss. This was my level. Yes, this was my adjusted target, and price never came to hit that target level. So the only thing for me that is left is this crab pattern. So I will place my horizontal line here. 83.84.6 is the level. Now let me 83.84.6 is the level. Okay, done. So if price hits this level, I will be notified with this alert. It will sound like something like this. You heard that sound just a minute ago. 38, I need to come back to the trade. Most likely it will be a red candle. 2 minutes left. 1 minute, almost 1 minute left. Okay, so I'm not afraid to miss the trading opportunity. That's why I will be looking for a retest of this high. Just need to wait until this candle closes at 16, at 16.40. We have 16.39. Okay, and what we have else? Else we have that bad pattern running on Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar bad pattern. So you see the targets are lower than the lines because they were modified by PatternTradeAssistant as price dipped a bit lower. So now they coincide. It doesn't matter if you restretch the fibs, you can leave them at the initial place just for reference, just to see how it goes. Okay, what is next? What is my risk? 15 pips and 4, and what is my reward? 17 pips and 9 because of target adjustment. Okay, good. Let's go back. We have 40. New Zealand yen. Yes, we have a red candle. So what I do, I just place a limit order. 1, 2, 3 trades are set. Each trade is 1% of my capital, so the total risk on this pattern is 3%. After that, I just switch that to 15 minutes just to see a more compressed picture, not to have that the large one taking the full screen. Okay, so after that I do the tile windows this way, and I see one trade is running, another trade hits stop loss. What is here? Pound yen. Okay, looking for entry here. Let me zoom it in. The close says 4688 and open says 4685. So the close is higher than the open, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it is a green candle. I need a red candle. First red candle is the confirmation. If I have a confirmation, so I'm waiting for a confirmation, and then after I have the confirmation, I will place my limit order at the retest of this high. But I like these wicks. They are good. Just waiting for confirmation. 3 more minutes for that confirmation. Okay, what else should I explain? This dollar yen trade. Nothing changed much. Just a bit more modified targets. A bit modified. Well, it doesn't matter. What else? What is here? New Zealand yen. New Zealand yen, I suppose it didn't come to retest my level, but maybe it will come. So what is the rule? If it goes and hits the take profit before it hits my entry, then the entry will not be valid anymore. So these are the tools: HP limit, HP market, and the PatternTradeAssistant. Sometimes you can you need to modify your trades manually, so you just use order modify. For example, here, like this, stretch your Fibonacci's, just double click on order modify, and nothing happened because they coincide exactly. Or go somewhere else, some bullish patterns. 43, have 2 minutes left. Some bullish patterns maybe. No order opened. Okay, maybe here. If you click order modify, it is modified a bit, and because of slight changes of the spread. My price is 2/3 plus spread, because it will be executed at ask line. Ask line is the red one. I am to have it a bit higher, and it is inverted in buy orders. Take profit is a bid price. Okay, price went a bit further. Oh no, it didn't go a bit further. I just placed the Fibonacci's to the left high. 44, 1 minute is left. Pound something, pound yen. Okay, should I place it here? What is the best price for entry? Maybe retest of the closes to have a guaranteed execution. It will be the best price here. HP limits, 3 orders placed, 3% at risk. Go there. So let's hope it goes and hits that levels once again, but maybe it won't go there anymore. Dollar Canadian, nothing. Euro Aussie goes to the upside. Pound yen, dollar yen. So these are the trades that are running right now. Well, hope you get the idea about the PatternTradeAssistant, about the HP limits and HP market. Once again, guys, stretch your Fibonacci's from A to D to your level. Yes, either double click on HP limit or HP market, and you will have the 3 trades placed. 1/3, 2/3 and the whole are your targets, and 1/3 is your stop loss. After that, the rest will be done by this pattern trade assistant. Targets will be adjusted, and your trades will be break-even, and the last third of your trade will be target protected, will be a guaranteed winner in case it goes there. So very nice complement addition to the pattern search software. It works in combination. It makes sense when it is used in combination with pattern search software. Okay, that's it. Hope you like this video. Contact me if you have some questions on how to use that.